Hello everyone, today we're gonna see the best vapes for blowing O-rings. Firstly, Vapresso X-Rose 4. It is exceptional with flavor, customizable power and good vapor production. Its adjustable power levels for denser clouds, solid build quality that helps you blow O-rings. 2. Oxva X-Slim Pro 2. It has great flavor, long-lasting battery, and compact and portable, which can help you control vapor thickness. Finally, we have Aspire Pixo. It has HD touchscreen for easy customization, adjustable airflow, which it has a great flow, and also customizable settings, strong vapor output, and haptic feedback. So, Vapresso X-Rose 4 is the best overall for blowing O-rings due to its dense vapor and power adjustability. If you prefer more versatile device, the Oxva X-Slim Pro 2 offers better battery life with similar performance. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.